Hello guys, we will do today battery replacement for Dodge Journey and without take out front wheel. I know it's hard. Everybody saying you need to take out front wheel and every mechanics want appointment for doing this, and it's for maybe half an hour job for everybody, and we will do without take out front wheel like another cars. uh let's see. Today I'll show you what journey, how to take out battery without take out front wheel. Let's see. There is battery. Just go like this. We will open space. We will take out this bumper, but not too much, just a little bit. We will take out this screw and we will open space for replace the battery, and that's it. Look at this space, guys. If you take out these pins and front bumper left side, huge space for change the battery. If you take out front wheel, you need to torque all of these screws again, but just we will take out this cover and front bumper top side pins double as well, and huge space for changing battery. We take out that battery before they install new one. Just sand these probes. It's inside a little bit shiny. It's good. Positive and negative terminals need to be sanded. It's making corrosion. Just careful for this. This is battery sensor. I take out that battery sensor terminal. Don't forget to install back. Yes guys, new battery installed. All screws back, closed. Yay. Yeah, under this, you see, weird location for battery. Backside this, we did take out front wheel. Let's first start. Yay. Brake. Start. Yay! We did. Thank you guys for watching my video. We did battery replacement without takeout front wheel. See you next time.